Walaikum Assalam, sir.
Okay, okay. My voice is audible to you. Uh, I will start today some topic related of microbiology. O- Okay, today I will describe the microbial world. The one of the domain of the microbial world is the bacteria. So today I will focus over the bacteria, that is one of the domain of life. This is the tree of life, which consists of three domains and the six kingdoms. So one of the domain of life is the bacteria. So one of the domain of life is the bacteria, and these are the three domains, and one of them is the bacteria. Today I will focus over the bacteria. A bacteria belongs to the prokaryotic type of cell. This means they are the single cellular organisms, but they do not have the organelle.
सवेरा चला किड़ो सर आयो त येला छातो पड़े माइक्रोबायोलॉजी
So today I focus over the bacteria, the morphology of the bacteria, and the subheadings of the morphology of the bacteria are the size, shape, arrangement, and the components of the bacteria. Coming to the subheadings, the size of the bacteria, as you know, the size of the bacteria vary in between the zero point 0.2 to 5 micrometer, and they are usually less than the size of the RBC. Among the bacteria, the smallest bacteria is the mycoplasma, and they are the simplest bacteria, and usually they are almost as size of the largest virus. And the size of the viruses is less than zero point 0.2 micrometer, and the viruses are only able to be seen by the electron microscope, while the bacteria, they are visualized by the light microscope. So the smallest organisms are the viruses, and bigger than these viruses are the bacteria. And the bacteria, they are they are seen by the optical microscope, because they range in between the point the 7 and 20 micrometer. As you know, the human VN limit, lower limit is the 40 micrometer or above. So these are the different shapes of the bacteria, are the basic shapes of the bacteria. They are the coccus, and the plural of the coccus is the cocci. So they may be in the form of coccus or the cocci. The cocci are almost they have the shape of a sphere like ovoid like bacilli. Bacilli are the rods. They are the rod shape. Some of the bacteria they have the mixture of both the cocci and the bacilli, so we can call them cocobacilli. The other bacteria they may be twisted, spiral shaped, so they are helical type or the spiral. Some bacteria they vary in their shapes. They are variable. They have no fixed type of the shape. So we say that these are the paleomorphic. Paleomorphic means the different type. The paleo means the different type of. This image shows the different shapes, the different bacterial shapes, and their arrangement. When the cocci they are arranged in when the cocci they are arranged in the pairs, they are called the diplococci. While the cocci they are arranged in the chains, they are called the streptococci. And some of the cocci they are arranged in the four in the some of the bacteria they are arranged in the four bacteria in the form of the four bacteria, so they are tetrad. And some of the cocci they are arranged in the grape-like structures. They are called to be the staphylococci. And when they are in group of the eight, they are known as the sarsi. So these are the cocci, and on the right side, so on the right side are the rods and then the spirals. So these are the basic bacterial shapes: the cocci, bacilli, and the spirals. if if these some of the bacteria they are spiral shaped, they are twisted, such as the vibrios, spirilla, and the spirochetes. So the basic structure, the basic shapes of the bacteria are cocci, bacilli, and spirals. The bacteria they usually do not grow in the form of a single cell. They grow in the form of the colonies. So they are in groups. They do not live as a single cell. They cannot infect as a single cell. They infect the human beings when they are colonized, when they are grown in multiple numbers. So the arrangement of the cocci, when they are arranged in the grape-like structure, they are staphylococci. When they are replicated in the form of the chains, they are known as the streptococci. When the they are in pairs, they are called diplococci. And in packets of the four, they are known as the tetrads. And when the cocci that divide, when the cocci they are in the group of eight, they are known as sarcina. So coming to the next slide. in the same way as the cocci, they are arranged in different groups. The bacilli are also arranged in the when they are in the pairs, they are known as the diplococci. The diplobacilli, when they are in the chains, they are known as the streptobacilli, and when they have the mixture of both, the cocobacilli. So these are the different shapes. This image shows the arrangement of the bacteria, arrangement of the cocci as well as the arrangement of the bacilli. Now coming to the different structures of the bacteria. The bacterial structures, they are divided into two compartments: the essential components and the non-essential components. So the bacteria have the essential structures and the non-essential structures. Essential structures are the cell wall, the plasma membrane, ribosomes, mesosomes, nucleides, and periplasm. While the non-essential structures are these: the capsule, flagella, spore, plasmid, glycocalyx. This is the bacterial structure, and this bacterial structure shows this is the innermost genome of the bacteria. This is the innermost genome of the bacteria, that is the DNA. So this is the DNA part of the bacteria, and this is the cytosol. This is the cytosol, which contains the different cytoplasmic organelles such as the ribosomes and the ribosomes and cytoplasmic plasmid, and some of these structures which are exterior to the cell wall, which extend from the cell wall towards exterior, and these structures are the flagella, the capsule, the pilus. So now let us to the specific structure, the separate structure of the components of the bacteria. The cell wall. The cell wall of the bacteria, there is a difference between the cell wall of the gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. So what is that difference? In case of the cell wall of the gram-positive bacteria, this is a gram-positive bacteria, the wall of the gram-positive bacteria, and this is gram-negative bacteria. Cell wall of the gram-positive bacteria have the thicker peptidoglycan layer. This is a multi-layered layer of the gram-positive bacteria. And as you see on this right side, this is a thinner. So this is a peptidoglycan layer of the gram-negative bacteria. This is a thinner and usually the unilayer, while on this side, in case of gram-positive, this is the multi-layer. So this is the most important difference of the cell wall of the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. The other difference is that in case of the gram-negative bacteria, there is a periplasmic space. This is a periplasmic space outside the cytoplasmic membrane. There is the periplasmic space, and this is present only in the gram-negative bacteria. The third difference is that in case of the gram-negative bacteria, the outer membrane is present, and this outer membrane is absent in gram-positive bacteria. So these are these some differences in gram-negative bacteria. This image shows the differences between the gram positive and the gram negative bacteria, and these are the differences. The peptidoglycan layer is multi-layered and thick, while in gram negative this is a single layer. This is the one difference, and the some of the fibers which are known as the teichoic acid fibers. आवाज control. Do you listen me, guys? Hello, student.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the important. These are the differences, and you have to memorize the in between the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. These are the 4 or 5 differences. One is the peptidoglycan difference. This is on the gram positive side, it is multi-layered, and in case of gram negative, it is a single layer and thin. Teichoic acid fibers, they are only present in the gram positive bacteria. They are not present in the gram negative bacteria. Outer membrane is absent in gram positive bacteria, and it is present in the gram negative bacteria. Periplasmic space is absent, and here is present the sum of the proteins which are known as the porins. Porins are absent in gram positive and present in the gram negative. Exotoxins and endotoxins, they are produced both by the gram positive bacteria. They are the exotoxins, they are usually present in the both gram positive as well as the gram negative, while only the endotoxins, they are released in case of the gram negative bacteria.